Hello everyone, good morning. So today I'm going to show you how my mother prepared the vegetable sauce which we use for our Christmas celebration. Please stay tuned and keep watching.
With a heart so kind, in every post, joy you will find. From emo state, she brings the light. With love, my word, everything's alright. Come to love my word page and have fun. You will enjoy it and love it, everyone. Love my word is stress free. Come and dance with me. Come and have fun with me and enjoy your world stress free. Influencer with a heart so kind, in every post, joy you will find. From emo state, she brings the light. With love, my word, everything's alright. Come to love my word page and have fun. You will enjoy it and love it, everyone. Love my word is stress free. Come and dance with me. Come and have fun with me and enjoy your world stress free. I'm pumped to love my word, our pride. With love my word, joy worldwide. Join the fun, feel the vibe. With the Marathi, let's all unite. Come to love my word page and have fun. You will enjoy it and love it, everyone. Love my word is stress free. Come and dance with me. Come and have fun with me and enjoy your world stress free. Love my word, where the fun begins. Come to love my word page and have fun. You will enjoy it and love it, everyone. Love my word is stress free. Come and dance with me. Come and have fun with me and enjoy your world stress free. Influencer with a heart so kind, in every post, joy you will find. From emo state, she brings the light. With love, my word, everything's alright. Come to love my word page and have fun. You will enjoy it and love it, everyone. Love my word is stress free. Come and dance with me. Come and have fun with me and enjoy your world stress free. Influencer with a heart so kind, in every post, joy you will find. From emo state, she brings the light. With love, my word, everything's alright. Come to love my word page and have fun. You will enjoy it and love it, everyone. Love my word is stress free. Come and dance with me. Come and have fun with me and enjoy your world stress free. I'm pumped to love my word, our pride. With love my word, joy worldwide. Join the fun, feel the vibe. With the Marathi, let's all unite. Come to love my word page and have fun. You will enjoy